who you hang out with is a huge reflection on who you are. Okay, I know a lot of people right now who, are scared to move out, are, basically scared to give up those old friends. And like, I went through the same thing. When I was living in New York, there are a lot of people who like I associate myself with, but wanted to get away from. And there's still people who I talk to this very day. I'm friends with, Kevin, Alex, Antonio, my friend Chris. Like, there's still people who I associate myself with. But at the same time, there's people in your life who you have to get away from. There's people who are not going to put you in that place to succeed because they're either a bad influence, they make bad choices, they're not people who you want to hang around with, and they're basically just bringing you down. And that's where you have to change your circle. The people who you surround yourself with 8 hours a day become, who you are 8 hours a day all alone. So being able to basically, revolve yourself in the right circle and get that right amount of mindset and insight is going to make your life all the better. And I think that, unfortunately, we're in situations where our friends are like so fun to us. Like, we have tons of fun with them. And like, there's going to come a time though, when high school ends, when college ends, and like, we have to go on to the real world. And that's where relationships are going to put you in that situation to succeed, not just feel fulfilled and feel wanted in some type of friend group. And that's what we really need to get away from that. We really need to get away from the neediness to be in a group, the neediness to, be loved and be liked. We need to feel the neediness of being successful. And who are those people who you want to be around? Like, there's people right now who you look up to. And there's also people who, are scared to be around success. There's a big reason why most women can't connect with me at my age is because when I'm at the dinner table, they're talking about school. They're talking about 9-to-5s. I'm talking about conquering an empire. I'm talking about building a massive 8-figure empire. And they just can't relate because there's a disconnect. And that's why I preach this so much. And it's just unfortunate to see people, in bad relationships, in bad situations, in bad neighborhoods, and just like things that they need to get out of to get that pattern interrupt to get to the next level. And there's a lot of people who I know who have great potential, but they just stick with the same bullshit over and over again. And they're stuck in the same situation, same environment, same bedroom, same everything. And they need to get out of that to be successful. So you being that pattern interrupt in your life is going to put you in that situation of be near people who succeed. If you want to be near people who do well in life, if you want to be near people who are where you want to currently be, then you got to get out. You got to go outside. You got to move places. You got to do shit differently so that you stand out.